This video is a quick walkthrough of how to use the business features of the Bloccs website. It's designed for approved business account holders, including clinics, hospitals, pharmacies, and distributors, and covers bulk buying, direct-to-patient ordering, and access to business-only resources. To get started, search for Bloccs in Google and go to bloccs.com, the official Bloccs website. By default, you'll land on the standard customer-facing site, showing retail pricing and products for general customers. To access the business side of the website, click Business in the navigation bar. This brings you to the Bloccs business page, where you'll find information about who the business portal is designed for, as well as the benefits of opening a business account. To apply, click Apply for Account and complete the short application form. This includes your name, email, password, and some basic information about your business. After submitting the application, we'll email you a short follow-up form with a few additional questions. This usually takes around 2 to 5 minutes to complete. Once reviewed and approved, you'll receive an email confirming your business account has been activated. After approval, click the account icon next to the cart and sign in using your business email and password. Once logged in, the website will switch to the business-to-business portal. A quick way to confirm you're inside the business portal is the welcome banner at the top of the page. You'll also land on a dedicated business homepage, which you can return to at any time by clicking Home. By default, the portal opens in the United States region. If you're based elsewhere, you can change the region to match your location. Prices will then display in your local currency. When you're signed into your business account, the retail price is replaced with your business trade price for a single cover. This first-level discount lets you purchase covers at a reduced rate and supply them to patients at your own price. Bloccs fulfills the order and ships directly to the patient, so there's no need to hold stock. Additional discounts are available when buying in bulk, with lower unit pricing at higher quantities. One of the key features of the Bloccs business portal is direct-to-patient delivery. You can send a cover to a patient without holding stock. When a patient needs a cover, select the product in the business portal and add it to your cart. The process is the same as the standard website. At checkout, your business trade pricing is automatically applied. Enter the patient's delivery address. Enter your card details. Untick the box labelled Use Shipping Address as Billing Address. This allows you to enter your business billing details separately. Select your preferred shipping method. Confirm the order. You will receive an order confirmation email. The cover is then shipped directly to the patient. Bloccs handles fulfilment and delivery. For businesses that prefer to hold stock, the portal also supports bulk purchasing. You'll find starter bundles designed for clinics and retailers, as well as the ability to build custom bulk orders directly from product pages. When logged into a business account, quantity discount options appear on eligible products. Selecting higher quantities automatically applies additional per-unit discounts. This allows you to tailor stock orders based on your patient or customer mix, while still benefiting from bulk pricing. In many cases, businesses combine bulk buying with drop shipping, especially for children's sizes, where demand can vary more significantly. The pricing page provides a clear breakdown of single-unit trade pricing, quantity discounts, and available starter bundles. This page is useful when planning margins or deciding between stocking products and using the dropshipping service. The resources section is your central hub for everything you need to market, list, and support Bloccs products. Here you'll find downloadable patient leaflets, full product imagery, sizing guides, care and usage instructions, and a wide range of support videos designed to help customers choose the correct product and use it with confidence. All marketing assets are available to download in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. The resources section also includes brand guidelines, approved logos, guarantee information, and key regulatory documents, including the EU Declaration of Conformity. When using Bloccs assets for online listings or other marketing materials, content should be aligned with the brand guidelines available in the resources section. Alignment with the brand guidelines forms part of our conditions of sale and conditions of partnership, and helps ensure a clear and consistent experience for customers across all Bloccs sales channels. Whether you're supporting patients in clinic, supplying pharmacies, or building online listings, this is the single place to access the most up-to-date and approved Bloccs materials. All orders placed through your business account appear in the Orders section. Here, you can view order history, access tax and invoice information, and track shipments once fulfilled. This gives you a complete record of patient and bulk orders in one place. The business support page includes step-by-step guides for using the portal, including dropshipping and invoicing. As your business relationship with Bloccs develops and your account generates orders over time, your business may become eligible for improved invoicing terms. These can be set up once we've worked together for a period of time and have a clear understanding of your requirements. This area is continually being updated with additional guidance and resources. The dropshipping service is available for patients in a range of supported countries, which can be viewed using the region selector on the website. The most commonly used regions include the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and European Union countries such as France, Spain, Germany, and Italy. Additional countries are also listed in the region drop-down, where dropshipping is supported. However, local currency pricing is currently only available for France, Spain, Italy, Germany, Canada, the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia. That concludes the business portal walkthrough. If you have any questions or need support setting up your account, our team is happy to help.